Hello everyone and welcome back. So we will continue with the Power BI learning tutorial series. So in this video we will learn how we can connect our data with Oracle database, and then we have developed some quick dashboard over it, and we will use bookmark feature as well. So let's get into the demo site. So first I need to connect with the Oracle. So go into get data, then it will open, and then connect with Oracle data source, and we need to provide server name. So server name is like, for example, I have Oracle installed in my PC or system, so I can use localhost 1521 slash then service ID. Okay, once my service ID is okay, then I have to provide a database credentials. If database credential is okay, then it will going to connect with the Oracle database. Here you go. So I want to take my HR, this employee detail view. So I'm going to use this view, and now I'm going to connect with the data source. Here you go. You can see that we have a database table or view, and under we have a few columns. So quickly I'm going to create a quick dashboard over it. Let's say I have a chart, cluster chart, and I want to create a job title, and let's say salary. This is my quick chart. Okay, and if I want to use, this is okay, let me convert into this way. And if I want to make a department chart, let's say I'm going to create another one. Okay, and department name and salary. Okay, let's say we have this two type of chart here. One is for job title, one is for department wise. So let me correct some name. Department salary. One is, and second one is job title salary. Okay, let's say we have a two chart in this, we can say page. So now let's insert, and I want to create some buttons, like for example this one, and right arrow for this one. Okay, right, and then we have in view we have a selection. So we can see that we have a button. Let's say I want to make it right button, and make it left button. Okay, then we have a bookmark option here, right? So let me hide for the moment. Okay, so we have a left button, and then we have a right button, and then we have a department salary chart, and we have a job title chart. So now I want to use a bookmark. Okay, so the purpose of this bookmark is that once I click this button, so it will show me left button and department wise salary chart, and once I click this, then it will hide this and show me right button and job title was chart. So what we need to do, we need to create a bookmark like right button. Okay, so what we need to do on the right button, we need to hide this. Once we click hide right button, and we need to click hide this, right? So this is one of our activity, we need to update it, right? And what we need to do on the second activity, on the left button, naming convention can be could be anything, but for your convenience you can write any name. So for the right left, we need to actually show this, but we need to hide this. Okay, let's update this. Now let's test this. Okay, so if testing is okay, then we are fine, good to go. Okay, so the next step is data visualization. We need to open, and we need to define some action, because we didn't define any action yet. So if we control click, it will happen nothing. So what we need to do, we need to use action, select bookmark, and bookmark we need to create a, if we click right button, we need to go left. Okay, so in a left button action, we have to go bookmark, then select our right button. Right button mean this one. If we click this one, left button. Okay, so we need to click this one. So let me test this code. So let's test this code. Okay, if we click this, so this will actually show these two, but one button and actually department cell. If I click this, then it will disappear, and then select. So look at here, if I click this, so it will go right button. If I click this, it will go left button, bookmark. So how this we bookmark is work. So I hope you understand this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching this video.